is a 2005 Hawk 2-horse bumper pull with a dressing room. Paint isn't perfect, but the trailer is in exceptional structural condition. It's got windows in the nose and a window between the horse area and the dressing room. It is 7'6" tall and 6 feet wide. It is a steel frame with aluminum skin and a fiberglass roof. The tires on this trailer, I believe, are a year old, just 1 year old. Nice little dressing room, spare tire, bulkhead window, bridle hooks, and 2 saddle racks that are adjustable. Brush box there on the door. These tires, yes, they are 34th week of the 19th year, so they are 1 year old. Got 2 escape doors with sliding windows, swinging removable head divider, hay bags. It's a wooden floor with rubber mats. You can see some areas here where the graphics are cracking just a little bit. That's to be expected with the age. It's got a rear ramp with top curtains. Those curtains do latch back securely for travel. We've got padded breast and butt bars, padded walls, padded center divider. These pads are really in great shape. A lot of times on a trailer this age, we see them dry rather than cracked. I don't see any issues to speak of about these. Got 2 pop-up roof vents, nice sliding hip windows. This ramp comes up easily. A 2005 Hawk 2-horse straight load with a dressing room, located at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. You can see all the specs at trailercountryllc.com. This trailer is $9,000.